Hey, it's Holly. How's everybody doing? Welcome back to my channel. I have an unboxing for you today. I'm a little behind on boxes, so first I'd like to apologize to the curator. I didn't get it done when I was supposed to, and that is my fault entirely. And I have been working on a new room here, and hopefully it looks better, and I hope everyone likes it. This box is called Inner Queen Subscription, and I have my computer screen over here so that we can learn about this box. And it is called, like I said, Inner Queen, and it arrives to your home like this. It comes in a bag like this. I already opened it so that we could get right into it, and it is hot as the blazes in my home right now, so that is why I have on a tank top. But anyway, this is called the Inner Queen Pamper Me Box, and there are 4 boxes that you can choose from. And like I said, this is the Pamper Me box. There is a Fit for a Queen box, an Inner Queen purse box, and a Queen's Night Out box. The Pamper Me box is $12.50. The Fit for a Queen box is $20. The Inner Queen purse box is $25. And the Queen's Night Out box is $43.75. So, the Pamper Me box is 5 products such as face masks, nail polish, makeup accessories, candles, and more. And then Fit for a Queen box is a kind of a fitness box. It contains 30 fun day workout plan, home gym workouts available, athletic wear, healthy snacks, and a handwritten note to help keep you motivated on your fitness journey. And then we have the Inner Queen purse box, and you get a gorgeous purse to accessorize any outfit, and that's $25. And then you have the Queen's Night Out box, and that one is a subscription box that has perfect items for your night away from the castle. Each monthly box will feature a purse, jewelry, makeup, and other items to help give you your most royal look. And that box is $43.75. So this box is very, very new. You can find this box on Cratejoy. I do not know what is in this box. It says that this box does come with 5 full-size items such as face masks, bath bombs, hair masks, etc. Oh, let's get into this box. So I took the box out of the mailer, and this is what the box looks like when you open it. Take it out of the box itself, or out of the bag, excuse me. This is what it looks like. It's a very pretty box. So let's pop. Oh, there's a little note on top here. Didn't see it. It was tucked in. It was tucked in there on the top here. So let's read that note here. Let's see what this note says. Thank you for reviewing our Pamper Me box. We hope you enjoy each item we picked for you. We're excited to see your video and hear your review. Please feel free to tag us on Instagram at Inner Queen Subscriptions. Thank you again, and enjoy. Okay, so let's open this up. Pop the top. That's what it looks like when you pop the top. And then there's what it looks like, and let's see what we have inside. So let me see if I can give you a close-up. Okay, so first impressions are, I'm going to move the bath bomb, and I'm going to show you what's inside this box. That is what's inside this box. Okay, so my first impressions are, I have a feeling that I have this stuff already in my home. I have this bath bomb already. Yes, I do. And I have to give my brutal, well, I won't be brutal. I have to give my honest opinion because that's what I do on my channel. This bath bomb is from Dollar Tree. It's a Greenbrier company. That's where this is from. Greenbrier International Inc. It is a very nice bath bomb. I have used these. These are very nice bath bombs, but I do know that this is from Dollar Tree. I am not bashing the box. It is a very nice bath bomb. Let's continue on with the box. So here's the rest of the box on the inside. Then we have a candle. Born to Shine Old Williamsburg scented candle. And this as well is from Dollar Tree. And it does smell delicious. Born to Shine. And this is from Dollar Tree too. It does smell good. I do like that. I do like that. And Global Beauty Care Cleansing Nose Strips Ben. Oh, that's in French or something. I'm not going to read. I'm not French. I don't know how to read French. But there is the package. And whoa, I almost lost it. And there's the back of it. And I have seen these at Dollar Tree as well. So, and then we have some nail polish. And I cannot tell where this is from. There is no... It's very pretty nail polish. I do like the color. I do like the color. Oh, I see it. Never mind. I correct myself. It says fresh paint. You're having a hard time probably seeing that, but it says fresh paint. It's very pretty. It's like a blue, kind of a bluish purple. Yeah, it's kind of a bluish purple. It doesn't say the exact color on here, but maybe it says 11. I don't know, but it is very pretty, very pretty. And that's very pretty. And then we have one more thing, and this is Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin mixing bowl and spoon included. So this is one that where you do the paper bowl. Very neat. And it is one single mask. Well, I don't know about this. Honestly, would I order it? Personally, no, I wouldn't order it. I personally wouldn't order it. I have to be honest. I mean, that is why most of you do watch my channel. Here's what I received in my Inner Queen Pamper Me Box. And I honestly, I personally would not order this box. It may be, you know, something for one of you out there. And if you would like to try this box, I will leave the link below so that you can check this box out. But I personally wouldn't order this box for myself. I appreciate them sending me this box to review. I personally wouldn't order it. But if you would like to check this box out, click on the link below and go ahead and head on over to Cratejoy and get yourself one of these Inner Queen boxes, and I'm sure that she would be glad to have you check out her boxes. This box is $12.50, and it's called the Inner Queen Pamper Me Box. So if you would like to get this box, click the link. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, consider hitting the subscribe button. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked my honest and forthcoming review. And I will see you in my next video real soon. All right, y'all. Bye now.